This is I Love Dust, living in hi-fi. So the piece which we landed on was Welcome to the Jungle from Guns N' Roses, and what was nice about that song, which kind of resonated with all of us, was the fact that it was evolved with by Jay-Z and Kanye. We just loved the way that the song had been turned around and flipped on its head, and we liked the idea of being able to do that with our artwork as well. Music is definitely a big part of our studio. A lot of different tastes. So we have all of our designers input on a sound system that we all put our songs through. So it's not just one person's taste, we all kind of input and have kind of debates and stuff. So yeah, definitely part of the vibe and helps us kind of keep us creative. We've got the briefing, and how we start most projects is we'll get the designers around the table, talk about the brief, and a project like this we kind of tend to get as many people involved as we can, as the brief is very non-restrictive. So we had about 4 or 5 people on this one. Yeah, and just having a bit of fun with it, and that's kind of where it all started. We kind of wanted to introduce some sort of moment that we were related to, and we asked the designers to sort of do that as well themselves, and what things meant to them. They were going to do something that they were proud of, and it's just looking pretty great. We're really happy about how it turned out. And we're just kind of like, taking it as it comes as well. A lot of work comes in, and cool jobs like this that come in that we can be creative with as well, and get down with a pen and paper and work that way, which is really cool. So we try to take on the bigger clients and work on the sort of smaller, more creative projects as well, which is great.
My name is Pedro Yarvide. I work as an illustrator at ilovedust. I've been painting this speaker for Bluesound. At ilovedust, when we're doing portfolio pieces, we are always using these kind of elements like skulls, snakes, tigers, very inspired by tattoo aesthetics, that kind of art. It's always good to use like classic techniques like pencils and markers. This is I Love Dust, living hi-fi, and this is our design for Bluesound.